Hey guys, so last day of the year, I am sharing what my M1 Finance account did in December. Market is almost closed, so there hasn't been very much activity. But if we look at the monthly closing, up $47.36. $1.38 of that was in earned dividends. And I don't know why M1 does this, but I put on a month and it goes from December 4th. So this is from December 4th to December 31st. And I haven't put any money in it. Just the market gain and the dividend is what did the lifting here. That's 3.17%. So not bad. And if we look at who contributed the most, and that would be QQQ with a 5.14% return. Next up is the DGRS, which is the U.S. small cap dividend growth at 2.79%. And then bringing up the rear, the SPHD, which is the high dividend, low volatility, which is 2.45% for that month. Now, if we look at a year chart for me in M1 Finance, I don't understand. It's kind of hard to break this down. But if we look at a year return, I did a withdrawal back in April from M1. I pretty much emptied it out and put that money in my Roth IRA. And then I just slowly started building a position into M1 with some excess money here and there. But if you look at my total year, it says a 41% return. I don't know how they do that because this is a money weighted return. But either way, there were some things I sold at a loss and things like that, but I don't think I lost anything. I had $361 in market gains, $40.90 in earned dividends for the year. And I have turned on weekly deposits. I'm going to, for 2020, I'm going to at least invest $10 per week every Monday into this account. I probably will not be changing anything. I'm pretty pleased with how this is allocated, with 65% in the SPHD, 25% in the QQQ, and 10% in the US small cap dividend growth. And what that gives me, I believe, is about a 3% dividend. The SPHD and the DGRS pay monthly dividends. Yes, here it is. 3 holdings with a 3.064% dividend yield. So I'm going to just commit to $10 a week. If I can do more, I will. If you look at my holdings, this says I'm up 4.87%. Since I think I did this back in October when I finally just committed to this 3 ETF pie. So I'm just looking to build this up. This is a taxable account. And this will, in my retirement plan, this will be the first thing I spend when I hit retirement in year 2030. This will be the first thing I draw off of. Well, actually, that's kind of false because I have a cash bucket as well that I will be drawing off of. But this will be the first step in retirement, and then it'll be my wife's Roth that'll fund some years, and then it'll be my Roth that'll fund, forever income. So that's the update for M1 Finance of December. 1 month return 3.25%. The market's not quite closed yet, so that's why this number's fluctuating. So if you have any questions, comments about M1 Finance, I'm going to leave the link to this pie down below. If you'd like to check it out and maybe invest in it, I don't know. That's up to you. But I like the way that it that it performs, because you have very high volatile QQQ, which is high tech ETF, and then you have the low volatile SPHD that gives you a high dividend yield, monthly payer but stable. And then you have the DGRS, which is the small cap, which will give me exposure to smaller companies that have bigger growth runways and dividend growth. So I'll leave that down below. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below. I appreciate it. Happy New Year. Don't go out drinking and driving tonight. Stay home. It costs less to stay home. All right. Have a good day, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.